Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Luna Classic Update today. So finally we're making a move to the upside. We're looking at a pump happening for quite some time, and hopefully we're just on the road to get a little bit of recovery to the upside. Now, one thing that is pretty observable is that you have your trend line here. You've made the break, and it makes only one sense to really come up to this technical target. Because that's where the downtrend really started, and it does look like you're making the comeback from where the trend line really is. Now, the next thing is, I think you do have this ascending triangle, and the ascending triangle is now breaking off. So you have move up and sideways, an ascending triangle, a break to the upside, and your next technical target is somewhere to maybe 8925. Now, here's the catch. If today you make a move to the upside, maybe to 8200 or 8300, then I think on the weekly time frame you're going to be making a new particular pattern, and I'm just going to show you in a second. Yeah, so this is what you may actually do. So if you end up coming up to 8300, you are going to make one red and today's green. So in the next 13 hours, let's hope you do make it up to 8300. Then you're going to have a nice good reversal candle. Even if you close like this and you have the red next to it, these two are still going to indicate reversal to the upside. So hopefully next week is going to be looking good for so many levels. And that's pretty much all that I have right now for Luna Classic update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love, peace.